What is up, guys? So as y'all know, I have been working on this project MIATA that I got for $500, and it's giving me some headaches. I'm not gonna lie. It's been everything from I thought timing belt was broke. I bought new injectors, new coil packs, new ignition wires, cam and crank position sensor, and well, yes, all that was probably needed due to the condition of the motor when I got it. It was in good condition, just had not run. Bad gas was sitting all in it. And so I went into it, replaced the coil packs, replaced the ignition wires, and replaced the upper intake manifold gasket and injectors with stock injectors. And we have a running car, but not for a reason you may think. I put a new crank sensor in and timed it. Well, not timed it, but I guess adjusted it to within spec. And my buddy Justin came over, and he's the one who actually got the car running. I'm gonna give full credit where credit is due. He got this car running how it should. And it's so silly what it was. If you look right here, we have the wiring for my cam position sensor. If you notice, this is not stock. This is something you get from AutoZone. And I did not do this. Car was like this when I got it. And the reason this car was in the shop to begin with was a crank no start issue like I was having. Now, we see here that the red goes first, red and white goes first, black and blue second, and ground third. They had it ground, red, blue. And my sensor was not wired properly. And so me and my buddy Justin could not find a wiring schematic to actually show us the correct one, so we just tried every situation, and we got her to run, and she is running. I would crank it up for you guys, but unfortunately, the exhaust is still over there and needs to be mounted up, and so this thing sounds like a monster truck. But everything is taken care of. I need to bleed the rear brakes. I need tires. I think I'm going to go with either Falcon or Kumo, either a 195 or a 205, just to give me a little extra meat and a little better road quality ride. And after that, pull that dent and replace that tail light. I do make a suggestion for you guys. If you have any kind of scratches or anything on your car or paint chips, this is just after 2 coats with Automotive Touch-Up Group. They have a wonderful selection of paint and wonderful selection of variety from Mazda to Chevrolet to Ford to Chrysler to Toyota and Lexus. So, big shout out to them. And it comes with a clear coat. Actually, you can see this spot right here. Can you? It's right there. Let me see it on camera. That actually has to clear on it. I've not cleared the front yet, just because I know it probably takes a little bit more paint than normal, since it was a deeper scratch, or well, paint chip. But yeah, she runs and drives. ECU works. Everything works. I do need to fill the coolant and put actual coolant, not water, in it, because it is getting colder here in Alabama. I'm excited. And he actually wrote the red, blue, black in case it ever comes off. But I'm going to actually tape that up and get it looking back OEM, because no one ever wants to see, wires going every which direction. So guys, the project is coming along very nicely. Tires, brakes, putting the exhaust back on, fill it with coolant, and wait for a title to come in. And after that, we have a roadworthy $500 with 13,000 original factory miles. Man, when we cranked this car, it didn't even tick. And anyone who knows Miatas know Miata lifters tick, no matter what. They always tick. This one, no tick. No rot knock, no weird sounds, no leaking. It's amazing. Guys, Thank you. Y'all have a great one. Leaving comments or suggestions you want to see to help me restore this car back to factory. I won't be doing any modifications to it other than maybe a bigger tire and better brakes, and that's just for safety. I'm not going to be going, you know, supercharger, turbo gear, horsepower. No, this car is valuable the way it is. The resale value on it is very high, and it's running. I appreciate it. Y'all have a great one. See you later.